Calendula, Allen's keynotes, Marigold, Family, Compositive. Traumatic affections to secure union by first intention and prevent suppuration. In all cases of loss of soft parts when union cannot be effected by means of adhesive plaster. External wounds with or without loss of substance, torn and jagged looking wounds. Post-surgical operation to promote healthy granulation and prevent excessive suppuration and disfiguring scars. Traumatic and idiopathic neuroma. Neuritis from lacerated wounds, exhausted from loss of blood and excessive pain. Rupture of muscles or tendons. Lacerations during labor, wounds penetrating articulations with loss of synovial fluids. Wounds with sudden pain during febrile hit. Constitutional tendency to erysipelas, old, neglected, offensive, threatening gangrene. Ulcers, irritable, inflamed, sloughing, varicose, painful as if bitten, excessive secretion of pus. Calendula is almost specific for clean surgical cuts or lacerated wounds to prevent excessive suppuration. Relations: complementary heparin salicylic acid. Similar to hypericum in injuries to parts rich in sentinel nerves where pain is excessive and out of all proportion to injury. Similar to arnica in traumatism without laceration of soft tissue. Symphytum calcarea for non-union of bones. Pain extending from orifice of urethra backward. Salicylic acid prevents excessive suppuration, gangrene. Sulfuric acid in painful gangrenous wounds said to destroy septic germs. Acts well in potency as in tincture applied locally and may be administered internally at the same time. Calendula officinalis, Boric materia medica, Marigold. A most remarkable healing agent applied locally. Useful for open wounds, parts that will not heal, ulcers. Promotes healthy granulations and rapid healing by first intention. Hemostatic after tooth extraction, deafness, catarrhal conditions, neuroma, constitutional tendency to erysipelas. Pain is excessive and out of all proportion to injury. Great disposition to take cold, especially in damp weather. Paralysis after apoplexy. Cancer, as an intercurrent remedy, has remarkable power to produce local exudation and helps to make acrid discharge healthy and free. Cold hands. Head, extremely nervous, easily frightened, tearing headache, weight on brain, submaxillary gland swollen, painful to touch. Pain in right side of neck, lacerated scalp wounds. Eyes, injuries to eyes which tend to suppuration after operations, blenorrhea of lacrimal sac. Ears, deafness, worse in damp surroundings and with eczematous conditions. Hears best on a train and distant sounds. Nose, coryza in one nostril with much green discharge. Stomach, hunger immediately after nursing. Bulimia, heartburn with horripilations. Nausea in chest, vomiting, sinking sensation, epigastric distension. Respiratory, cough with green expectoration, hoarseness with distension of inguinal ring. Female, warts of the os externum, menses suppressed with cough, chronic endocervicitis, uterine hypertrophy, sensation of weight and fullness in pelvis, stretching and dragging in groin. Pain on sudden movements, os lower than natural, menorrhagia. Skin, yellow goose flesh promotes favorable Cicatrization with least amount of suppuration, slow, proud flesh and raised edges, superficial burns and scalds, erysipelas, fever, coldness, great sensitiveness to open air, shuddering in back, skin feels warm to touch, heat in evening. Modalities worse in damp, heavy, cloudy weather. Relationship compare Hemimallus hypericum symphytum arnica. Compare in deafness Kali iode calcarea graphitis. Antidote Chelidonium rhueum. Complementary hepar. Dose locally aqueous calendula for all wounds, the greatest healing agent. Also as an injection in leukorrhea, internally tincture to third potency. For burns, sores, fissures and abrasions, etc. use calendula cerat.